Hi guys, my name is Scott Mueller and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some homemade cannolis. Today you're going to need some ricotta cheese, some mini cannoli shells, mini chocolate chips, vanilla extract, some cinnamon, and a little bit of powdered sugar. Alright, let's go ahead and get started on the filling. Right here I have the ricotta cheese, and a lot of what we buy at the store comes in a little tub, and that has a little bit too much liquid. So what I've done here is I put it inside of a cloth and I've let it sit with a big can of tomato sauce on top of it for about 6 hours to drain some of the liquid down here. So what we have in here is a very thick ricotta cheese, which is what you're looking for. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out. If you look inside here, we do have a very thick cheese consistency, which is exactly what we're looking for. Go ahead and add some of our vanilla extract, our cinnamon. I think that the cinnamon adds a really nice hint of flavor, and it also just reminds me that we're in the fall season, which is always nice. And then of course, our powdered sugar. And now we don't want to whisk right away. We want to go ahead and fold some of this stuff in very nicely until well incorporated. All right, let's get one step closer so we can actually fill our cannolis. Right here, I have a piping bag with a circular tip, but if you don't have one of these, that's perfectly fine. You can go ahead and just find a ziploc bag and cut off the end of the bag, and it'll serve the exact same purpose. All right, so go ahead and put your piping bag inside of a cup, and then you can go ahead and just begin scooping the filling inside of the cup. All right, I got my filling in a piping bag, and now I'm gonna go ahead and fill my cannolis. So what I do is I go ahead and go in one side of the cannoli, and then the other, same with the other side, and I go ahead and fill it up, just like so. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do that exact same thing with the rest of them, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm there. All right, as you can see, we filled up all of our cannolis with our delicious filling. Now, in my opinion, it is not a cannoli unless we got some mini chocolate chips on the end of them. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is just do a little dip, just like so. And then we are going to go ahead and place them on our plate. So I'll show you guys one more of those. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, you can see that we've put on all of the chocolate chips, and now we have to top with some powdered sugar. I like to go ahead and put it in the center. I think it just looks really nice and pretty. And then it's totally optional. If you want to get a little bit more of that cinnamon flavor, you are more than welcome to put some cinnamon or nutmeg on top. I think that'd be really delicious. But now I've been dying to try one of these. Here we go. I'm going to pick this one. It is so good. The filling has so much flavor. Most cannolis that you find online, they don't have that cinnamon inside of them. But I think that adds something so special, especially as Thanksgiving and Christmas are coming right around the corner, actually. But you guys have definitely got to try these out. And if you guys do try this recipe, please do let me know. The recipe will be down below, and I will see you in our next video. Bye-bye.